into the golden moment of opportunity and catch the good that is in our reach is the great art of life. A very warm good afternoon all. I, Sarika S. Mulakundi, feel privileged to welcome you all on behalf of the Mechanical Engineering Department, PDACP, to validate function of 5 days faculty development program for alternative fuel biofuel. I consider it a privilege to welcome the chief guest of today's validity function, Dr. M.C. Navandri sir, HOD and program conveyor. I request Dr. Srinivas Valmiki sir to welcome Dr. M.C. Navandri sir to the flower. Thank you, sir. We have Dr. S.S. Hebbar, sir, Principal PDACP, President of the function on the dais. I extend a warm welcome to you, sir. I request Dr. M.C. Navandri, sir, to do a bouquet of flower welcome. Thank you, sir. We have Dr. Prashant Kamble, sir, as a guest of honor. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Prashant, sir. I request Dr. Harishchandra Ashtri, sir, to do a bouquet of flowers welcome. Thank you, sir. I also welcome Dr. Harishchandra Ashtri, sir, Program Coordinator. I request Dr. Mallikarjun Bhovi, sir, to do a bouquet of flower welcome. Thank you, sir. Now it's time for feedback. I hope 5 days faculty development program on alternative fuel biofuel has added an extra knowledge to all of us. We would like to know how well have our efforts resonated to you. I request anyone among the participants to give us feedback on FDP.
Participant, it's open for feedback. Just go through and give your feedback.
Sir, this is very informative topic, and the most of our biodiesel we are succeed and we are completed, sir. Very thankful for this.
Thank you, sir. Any other participants, please?
I request at least 3 to 4 participants to give your feedback.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. This is Preetha Ghosh from St. Pius X Degree and PG College for Women, Hyderabad, and I'm from Department of Microbiology. So actually, my personal feedback with regard to this FDP is when I just enrolled for this feedback for this FDP. So it was from as I've gone through the brochure, it was this FDP is organized from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So I thought, and we belong to extremely opposite stream, that is from the life sciences stream. So I thought, how could I could fit in this, but I got the acceptance, this thing mail. And as such, I got enrolled in this FDP, and all through this 5-day FDP, I found it really good. Why? Because as we are from microbiology, we basically deal with the microorganisms which means involved in the production of biofuels. But in this 5-day FDP, I just came to know about the various other parameters, the performance parameters actually which are related, the problems which are in turn associated and how to in turn overcome this particular problem. So I think it was really interesting, and the topics were interesting, especially the speakers. Yes, they were literally very good, and even it was very informative. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other participants, please?
Good afternoon, sir. I am Padmakar Kabudke from Pravara Engineering College, Maharashtra. I attend all the session of this FDP. In this FDP, covered all the topics. It covered the biogas also, and it covered the biodiesel also, biofuels, biodiesel particularly. In biodiesel, performance also covered and production is also covered. So total session of this FDP is very good and very much informative for us. And this session is well helpful for the research work in biodiesel. And this is the really need of the nation to more work on the this biofuel particular field. So particularly about this session, this FDP follow all the with the discipline, all the timetable of the FDP in proper manner. So I thankful to the organizer and all the committee members of this workshop. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Any other participants, please?
Yeah, I want to give my feedback. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dolly Boban. I am from Navi Mumbai, Lokmanya Tilak College of Engineering. Today, when we are moving towards the end of this 5-day faculty development program, I find myself very fortunate to have attended this program on alternative fuels, where I could really gather wealth of information, I would say, and I could update myself with respect to the challenges, opportunities with respect to use of biofuel in internal combustion engines. And as I belong to chemistry department, this topic is very useful to me, because we have a topic where we teach students about biodiesel production and all. So I could update myself, and which I will be sharing, transferring to students also. I wholeheartedly extend my gratitude and appreciation to all the experts who have extensively shared their knowledge with us, and they have answered to all our doubts to full satisfaction. Now, with reference to the coordination and conduction of the program, I would say Dr. Harish Chandra Astagi and his team did it to their best and to the fullest. Thank you, Dr. Harish Chandra, for the guidance as and when we required. And also grateful to the management of the college, Kalaburagi. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other participants, please?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm Dr. Debajit Mishra from Techno India Group, Kolkata. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank the organizer, coordinator, and entire team member of the Upper College of Engineering for selecting me to join the FDP. So I learned a lot of things for this faculty development program, especially biodiesel and its application in CI engine. I learned how engine performance can be enhanced by using biodiesel, and emission to the environment can be controlled using biodiesel. However, during FDP selection, I thought I would have an opportunity to learn about the bioethanol also, since it is a product of major concern in Indian scenario. So I have learned a lot of knowledge from the biodiesel. So I would like to thank entire team member of the mechanical engineering department. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah. Good afternoon to all of you. It's me, Rabindra Kumar Moto from Southeastern University, ma'am. Yeah, initially also I have an experience of like that, Preetha ma'am, because I was also from the Industrial Biotechnology Group, Department of Biotechnology. So once I got the confirmation regarding this talk will be from the PDA College of Engineering, this faculty development program with 1 week. So I was surprised that what we will be in the talk related to the biofuels. But anyhow, we are also working on the biofuels. But when it comes to the application point, that how we are going to apply this biofuel to the vehicles or maybe the engine performance. So this is the application oriented. All the talks are very effective, and we came to know that how this biofuel, whatever we are producing, is going to the application level. And in the FDP program, they are also giving one means the stress management talk. So that is one of the positive attitude towards the self management. If we are able to manage ourselves, then only we can do the better in the life, or maybe for the science. So overall, it was very nice and good experiences with this faculty program organized by the FDP. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Any other participants?
What are the?
Any other participants, please? Would like to do the feedback? Okay. Now I request the chief guest, Dr. MC Nawandgi sir, to address the participants.
And the best of honor, we are going Dr. Prashant Kamble, Professor of Industrial Production and the Warden of PDA College of Engineering, and my fellow colleagues and dear participants. Hope you enjoyed the technical sessions on biofuel, alternate fuel presented by eminent resource person during last 5 days. Today marks the end of this faculty development program. I have to say this with a heavy heart and proud chest. We tried to make this program as efficient, enjoyable, and informative as possible. We initially planned to conduct this program on 10th August as it is observed as a World's Biofuel Day. But unavoidable circumstances, we could not do so. The main objective of this program was to create awareness about the importance of non-fossil fuels as an alternative to conventional fossil fuels and highlight the various efforts made by government in the biofuel sector, which I assume objectified. As you know all, that biofuels have the benefit of reduction of import dependence, cleaner environment, additional income to farmers, and employment generation. Biofuel program also complements government's initiative for making India Swachh Bharat and increasing farmers' income. The number of initiatives have been undertaken to increase production and blending of biofuel since 2014. All I would like to say is biofuel is not just a science, but also a mantra that will provide a new energy to not just India, but the entire world. Biofuel means the fuel that is produced from crops, crop residue, and garbage and leftovers. It is going to transform and improve the quality of life of the people in both rural and urban areas. An old saying was reinforced in the film that was shown today. That means double utilization or complete utilization of things. It is a modern application in a way. More and more use of biofuels will help increase the income of the farmers, open up new opportunities of employment, and will save the country's wealth, and will also prove to be a boon for the environment. Also, there is a significant contribution of our scientists and youngsters with startups to use the technique in this campaign. On this occasion, I would like to offer my gratitude to you all. You are ceaselessly making efforts to improve the techniques, but there is a still lot of scope in this field. For example, it is important to look for crop with bumper production that can produce better and higher quality of biofuels. For this to happen, the entrepreneurs with the new startups and people with the new technology need to tie up. The revolutionary changes by biofuel can never be brought merely by the efforts of the government. We must also need to create mass movement through public participation by involving students, teachers, scientists, and industrialists. I wish to urge the participants present here to make efforts at individual levels to deliver the benefits of biofuel to every single village. So I hope you enjoyed, and with this, just find out this one. So wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Moving on, I now request the President of the function, Dr. S.S. Hebbar, sir, Principal PDACK, to deliver the presidential remark.
Good afternoon to all of you. Person managing this productive event. All the participants, resource persons, media people, and all the members of our media team, as principal of the academy, and the HODs, friends. Very happy to hear the second innings in this. Initially, inaugurated it's very here. We like to hear without hesitation. We can say that this event very good beginning, very perfectly and meticulously planned, and the perfect end. Just I want to share with all of you that this event is conducted by 64-year-old mechanical engineering department. Before I say a few words, proudly I want to say that our campus holds 3 core branches. All 3 core branches are 64-year-old civil mechanical and electrical engineering, which have got the capability to definitely offer research support in the core engineering area. Very happy maintaining the traditions of this mechanical department. Today we have selected a very relevant topic, which is need of the hour, particularly as this speech cannot be highlighted, especially for our people, government policy of agriculture people, and of course, the entire world is the need for the alternative fuels, and in this, looking at the galaxy of experts, in done a very wonderful contribution information to participant in terms of highlighting all the important aspects of alternative fuels. And somebody has feedback. It's definitely also make you provide important information to those who want to pursue research work in this. For the principal and president this function, the principal, I'm very happy. At MC now, we recently has taken the chance of the whole department, and I'm very happy he has started doing this perfectly. And, I wish you that you continue. And the most important thing for me is this function actually. I see when you came here, organized and something, including today's guest of honor. All they are young people. Normally in other countries we find all the people who are at the retirement stage and everything, and people sitting on that side. They are very happy, Manish, Prashant, and all. But we also very definitely I'm sure. So when people retire, they will continue this tradition of congratulate Manish because getting this approval itself is a very tough completion. Mistakes in there discussion actually. When ACT device application, we find it huge. Because nowadays, because now online everybody knows the register huge application should be there, and they have a tough time. Them hardly maybe those who applied, maybe 6 to 8% people will they will selecting, and that is getting a sanction, of this itself is a great task. And of course, not only sanctioning, implementation is there. And on behalf of the entire government, coming that this in future also government will continue these efforts to focus in the key areas, especially in the core branches, which definitely will help to research work and to put back into the field of chemical engineering. Once again, congratulate, and just I say that elementary function now completes. I will approve this, but this productive interaction with faculty and learners, and this teaching process, learning process, it will go and especially in years. I'm sure that the department efforts, especially the current new education policy, in that direction. Thanks, second chance to part of this very productive and very effective program. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Yes, sir. Dilip, sir, you want to say something? Dilip Deshmukh. Okay. Now I request Dr. Harish Chandra Ashtgi, sir, program coordinator.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
हेलो
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
हाँ मैडम
Yes, sir.
हाँ नहीं वो फीडबैक के लिए वो ये किया था मैंने ठीक है बहुत ही बेस्ट सेशंस हुआ सभी सर इसके लिए हेलो
Yes, sir. You can give the feedback, sir.
हेलो सर
Yes, sir. You can give the feedback.
हाँ हाँ आई एम दिलीप देशमुख DY Patil College of Engineering, Ambi, Pune. Alternative fuels and biofuels, it is a very best sessions in all PhD students and all faculties. New techniques in different types of presentations and all. Thank you for the Puja College of Engineering and Gulbarga or all staffs. You have to base different activity in new generations for electrical engineering, electrical cars, and basically you have to biofuels. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for the feedback, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now I request Dr. Harish Chandra Ashtgi, sir, program coordinator, to propose vote of thanks.
Very good afternoon all. Give me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this online FDP to the all to the dignitary of the assembled here. I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. MC Navji, sir, who is the behind this section FDP and convener of this FDP. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our guest of honor, Dr. Prashant Kamble, sir, and professor and warden of the hostel. And today also is the birthday, sir. Happy birthday. I would like to thank our principal and president of the chair of the FDP and Dr. S.S. Appal, sir. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank especially all the participants. That is maximum register on our FDP. That is 200 is maximum, but it is limited. That's why it is going beyond also. Thank you very much. It's not to west, east, west. All the faculty are participated, and thank you very much listening 5 days patiently and disciplinedly. Thank you very much all the participants. And I would like to thank our organizing committee and faculty, especially Bharat Kola sir, Dr. Valmiki sir, Dr. Bovi sir, Dr. Modgi sir, and our staff, Mallikarjun Bushnur and Sistan, all thank to the consultant. And I also special thank to the madam, Sarita madam, for anchoring the inauguration function as well as validatory function. Thank you, madam. I would thank to the media persons, especially Dr. Barbara Sherika, HOD and CCT department. I would thank to my students, MTech students, especially for Anand and Mallikarjun and Rohan is helping, and Tejaswini is helping to the smooth conducting of the FDP. Thank you. And I would thank to the two person that is the behind this, not only our FDP and college, the brothers is called that. One is Khaja Moinuddin and Sirajuddin. These two persons, without them, it's not possible to complete and successfully this FDP. Thank you, Khaja Moinuddin and Sirajuddin. I would thank to our management, especially our president, Dr. Bhimashankar sir, and council member are encouraging to do and sanctioning this, all the things. I will thank to the press person once again, and I will thank to the especially ACT Atal team to sanction to get this project. And once again, I will thank one and all here, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We have now reached the end of the validatory function. There is an end to everything, but we believe there is never an end, but always a beginning. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. This will conclude in the validatory function. Just wait for online test. That link will be shared to the on WhatsApp and also as well as email. Some faculties are requiring that test. Your link will be given. Till evening, you have to give the answer, submit your test. The limitation is not 1 hour or 2 hours. Evening till evening 7 o'clock, you are given time. The link will be shared shortly in WhatsApp also, as well as your email ID. Send, just submit. You are submitting quickly. That will be entered to your portal. Then you get the quickly your certificate. I request after giving the link, just submit quickly. Thank you. Any queries now open regarding the test? Participant. Regarding the test, you have any queries?
At what time you will post?
Another 15 minutes, sir. I will post. Till evening, you have to submit your answers.
Oh, till evening.
You are given time that you have
Okay.
to submit.
Okay.
You are submitting quickly means it will be that will be submitted to the online. You get the certificate within 2-3 days on your login only.
Number of question, what is the duration, sir?
It's simple, sir. Don't worry about it. To get the answer, if 15 questions is given, at least you answer the 9. Only 15 questions you are given.
15 or 50, sir?
15, sir, not 50.
Okay.
Any queries on test? That will be concluding your. Once again, thank you very much, all the participants. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, after completing, we have to post through email, sir.
No, sir, just you submit, that is Google form is there. Just after end, that is submitted button is there, just click it.
Okay.
It is automatically stored in my email.
Sir,
Sir,
good evening, sir. This is Sadish Kumar, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. In Atal web portal, feedback is open, sir. Now,
No, that feedback is active only after I submitting the attendance and your marks.
yes, sir. Yes. After that, we can upload, sir.
You have submit the feedback immediately. I will message in the WhatsApp and also
sir.
your email after I
Yes, sir.
completed my process.
Okay,
It is
sir.
only done after you completed your process on submitting the answer quickly.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.